Yes, class, good morning. Today we'll discuss a new topic, graphical solutions of linear inequalities in two variables. Your algebraic solutions has been completed in last lecture. This is the exercise 6.1. Today we'll discuss a new topic, graphical solutions of linear inequalities. So first we'll discuss the graphical solution of linear equations, and then we'll discuss here graphical solution of linear inequalities. So first I will discuss here two variables. Two variables means x and y. Here two variables x and y are two variables. Two variables. X and y are two variables. Suppose in two variables we write the linear equations. Linear equations. How to write linear x plus y equal to 5. Suppose you write x plus y equal to 5. This is called the linear equations. This is called linear equations. This is called linear equation. But suppose you write here x plus y greater than equal to 5. Yeah, x plus y less than equal to 5. X plus y greater than only 5, x plus y less than equal to 5. These are called the linear. These are called the linear inequalities. These are called the linear inequality. These are called the linear inequalities. These are called the linear equations. Here equal sign using this equation. Here using the sign less than greater than equal to, less than equal to, greater than and less than. Suppose in this four symbol an equation having this is called the linear inequations. Suppose you are drawing the graph of this. This is the two variable, two planes here. This is the x and this is the y, and this is the x dash and this is the y dash. Suppose you are drawing the graph of this. You will find the linear equations graph always coming the straight line. Always linear equations graph is always coming the straight line. So suppose you are drawing the graph here. This is the always come in the straight line in this way. Yeah, suppose graph will come line in this way. Yeah, suppose you are graph the in this way. Yeah, in this way. So, horizontal, vertical. 45 is diagonal shape. Any graph you draw, but linear equations graph always draw in a straight line. But when you draw the graph of the quadratic equation, the quadratic equation form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 5. Suppose equal to 0 5. This is the quadratic equation. This is the quadratic equations. In this equation graph always come in the curve shape, in this shape. But linear equation graph come always in the straight line formation. Yes, it means graph will be linear inequality also a straight line. This will be not curve form. This is also in straight line form. So how to draw the graph of this? How to find the solution of the linear inequalities in two variables? Here are some conditions here. Suppose you have the condition. Suppose you have the x plus 5, x plus y greater than equal to 5. Yeah, x plus y less than equal to 5, x plus y greater than 5, and x plus y less than 5. You have any types inequalities here. I am writing here 4 types. So you have any types inequality here. So how to find the solution of the graphical solution? First, First we will write the any. Suppose this inequality is here. First you write the inequality here. X plus y greater than equal to 5. This is your first. You write the first condition equation first. Inequality is first. Given equality is first. After that, step first. What is the step first of this? What is the step first? After that, you will be write this inequality in the as a strict equation form. To consider an equation as a strict equation, means x plus 5 equal to 5. This is your second point. First, this is the given, this is the given condition, this is the given. First I will write the consider the inequation. This is called the inequation also. Inequalities also called the inequations. First, consider the inequation is a strict equation, means you will write in this form. Second step, you will find the step number second. Step second, you will be find the points on x-axis and y-axis. Then find the points on x-axis and y-axis. How to find the x-axis with the help of this equation, not inequalities. You will find the points always with help of the equations. How to find here? You will draw this two column here. Suppose in this way. This is the x, this is the y. Suppose you are putting the value x equal to 0. Always x equal to 0. Then value of the y. What value of the y here? When you putting the x equal to 0, the value of the y equal to 5. Suppose you are putting x equal to y equal to 0, then value of equal to 5. Means 5, you are write the 5, then come here 5. Suppose you are write 2, 3, 1. This is not matter, negative, positive, this is not matter. Any integers here, then you write here same integers. But here first you will always put here 0. Value of always you will put 0. So what value of the y? Means 0 means on y axis. Or here y0 means on x axis. If you are putting x equal to 0, that means you are finding the value of the y axis. Suppose you are putting x equal to 0, that means you are finding the value of on x axis. Suppose you are putting the value of y equal to 0, then you are finding the value of on x axis. So here it means here x equal to 0 means you are finding the value of on y axis. Or y equal to 0 means you are finding the value of on x axis. In this way you find the value of always on x axis and y axis. Step third, plot the graphs. Plot the graph. You will plot the graph. Suppose this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. This is your y dash and this is your x dash. x0. Suppose your x0 point is x0 y5. x0 y5. Suppose your y5 this is. You will join this. x0. Your point here. Suppose this point here A is called 50, and this point suppose you are called B. This is called 05. Point we are called 05. This is called the 50. After that you will join these lines. You will join these points. After that you will join this point. So how to join? First we will check this. Suppose your symbol here only greater than, equal or less than equal. Suppose here you have two symbol, any one symbol, then you will be draw the dark line. Greater than equal and less than equal symbol represent the dark line, and less than or greater than symbol always represent your dotted line. According this, you will check this. What is the symbol of the inequalities? According this you will draw the your dotted line, your dark line. So here suppose greater than equal, less than equal, your inequality is given, then you will draw with help of the dark line. Suppose here less than on greater than and less than symbol only, not equal sign here, then you will be with help of the dotted line. So means here symbol here, equal sign also here, equal sign also here. So then you will be draw the with help of the scale dark line. You will represent a dark line because your symbol greater than equal symbol means this and this symbol represent the dark line and this and this symbol represent the dotted line. Steps third year completed. After that, step 4, and this is your last step. This is your last step. Step first, consider the equation in strict equation form. This is called inequations. This is called the strict equation also. Step second, find the point on the x-axis and y-axis with help of this. Suppose you are putting the value of x0, you are finding the point on y-axis. Suppose you are putting the value y equal to 0, you are finding the value on x-axis. After that, third step, plot the graph. This is graph is plotted. This line represents the encoding of this line here. This is dot. We have symbol here greater than equal symbol here. Then back line here represent. Step 4 here, you will put the points. Put 0, 0 in equations. In equation first. Put the point 0, 0 in equation first. This is the inequation. This is not equation. This is inequations. In equation first. What will you come here? 0 plus 0 greater than equal to 5. Now check this. Is 0 is greater than 5 or not? This condition true or false? You check this. Here, suppose your result come is the false. Your result come here false. Your result come here false. So then, yes students, suppose you are putting here 0, 0 equal first, and here first, a result come here false. Then you can say here, then this shaded region away from the origin. Away from the origin. Here two conditions. Suppose here come is the true, then this is here in this. Here two conditions. First condition here is suppose here come false, then this shaded region away from the origin. Shaded region means the solution region. Your solution region away from the origin. When your result come false, and where is the away from the origin means in this way. This is called away from the origin. This is called the away from the origin. Suppose here if condition is true, suppose your condition true, suppose your condition is true, then shaded region away, shaded region toward the origin. Suppose this condition is true. If condition here true, then you can say the shaded region toward the origin means in this direction, not this direction, in this direction. Your solution region in this direction. Then your solution region in this direction. Away from, this is the origin, this is your origin, this is your origin. So when it's on this line, this is the solution line, this is the solution line, away from the origin, toward from the origin. When condition is false, then away from the origin, outside of the origin, or when condition here true, then you can say कि solution region toward the origin means inside, toward the origin, inside of the origin. Here the fourth condition is very important condition. Where is your solution region? In fourth condition is very important conditions. But depend on the last condition here. This result is come true and false. False condition here away from the origin, and true condition here toward the origin. Very important point this. Yes, just note down you. Or suppose here dark line using here. You are using a dark line means this line also here is solution. Suppose you are using the dotted line in this type line, then means the line will be not yours including this solution. Dotted line, when you draw the dotted line here, a dotted line condition only here greater than and less than conditions. That means dotted line you will not come included in this solution region. When you draw the dark line here, then it means dark line always using here greater than, equal and less than equal. It means then you can say here this line also including in the solution region. Yes, note down. Then start with exercise 6.2. Then understand this how to find out the solution here. This is the basic theme of the graphical solution of the linear inequalities owing to variables. Yes, note down. Yes, students. Question number first, exercise 6.2. How to find out the graphical solution of this linear inequality here. This is symbol only, less than symbol. And then focus on this symbol also here. Step first you write this is the inequation first. This is inequation first. Now step first. Step first you are to consider inequation as a strict equation. Strict equation means x plus 5 equal to 5. X plus y. This is your second. This inequation converted as a strict equation. This is called the strict equation here. Step second. Find the points on x-axis and y-axis. Find the points on x-axis and y-axis. It means you will draw the table here. X and y. When putting x equal to 0, the value of y equal to 5. When putting y equal to 0, then value of x equal to 5. So this is your points on the x-axis point, on x-axis point, on y-axis point. Step third. Plot the graph. Here plot the graph in this way. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, x-axis and y-axis. Plot the graph here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points. Or here symbol, look here, less than symbol, not including here equal sign. Suppose here only less than symbol or here greater than symbol, then you are using both condition dash line. So then this is the first point, second point, third point, fourth point and fifth point. Here first point, second point, third point, fourth point. And this is the point A means 5 into 0. And this is the point B means 0, 5. This is the coordinate of B. This is the coordinate of B. This is the coordinate of B. With help of scale, you join this point as a dotted line. this way. Dotted line. Why you are drawing dotted line, putting a dotted line? Because your symbol less than symbol only, less than greater than symbol only using your dotted line. So there you are putting means dotted line means this line is not including in the on solution region. Step 4. Step 4. Put 0 0 in equation first. Here this is for the inequations. Inequalities is also called as inequations. But then 0 plus 0 less than 5, its mean is 0 greater than 5. This condition true or false? 0 is greater than 5 or not? Yes, this is a true. This is a true. It means this shaded region, then this shaded region, then this shaded region toward the origin. Here condition is true. It means the shaded region toward the origin. Means here this is your shaded region. This is your shaded region. This is your origin. Between origin and this dotted line, between this 0 is not, origin is not including, or dotted line is not including. It means between part portion is your solution region. So this is your complete solution. Fourth step is very important. If your condition is true, that toward the origin. If your condition is false, away from the origin. Yes, this is very plot. So your fourth step, you find the complete solutions here. This is your complete solution. This is a graphical solution of, means this shaded region. This is your dot, means where your shaded here. This is complete region, your solution region. This is complete region of the solution region of this given inequalities. This given inequality is the complete region, is the solution region. Yes, note down it. Then next questions.